rise, turn the switch of the day. Breathe it in, let your lungs ring the bell. Fingers wiggle, blood finds its way. Toes tap, tap, joints wake up and yell. Gently roll your neck, loosen time's pendulum. One wide yawn, air flows through the brain. Stretch up high, shake off the rust of night. Swallow once, the stomach clocks in again. Shoulders shrug, shake stiffened thoughts. Tap the waist, check the center line. Sit and stand, a daily rehearsal. Open the window, step toward the light. Pull the curtains, sunlight stretching. Wash your face, muscles clock into. Brush your teeth, wrists start moving. Lift a glass, greet your gut anew. Untie your shoes, practice balance. Bend your head, searching for your phone. Lift it back up, posture restored. Like the ticking second hand, the heart gets ready. A tiny sway plants the seed of health. Still cells receive the call. Stillness rusts, movement lubricates. Today again, the body knows first. Movement wakes the day. The rhythm of the clock. Left and right, life keeps going on. Stop and you rust, sway and you live. Today again, the body knows first. Move like a grandfather clock. Follow the seconds, the heart moves too. Small is fine if it's every day. Movement becomes the medicine. Movement becomes the medicine. I walk and my thoughts turn clear. One stair step, my heart starts to smile. Run for the bus, veins begin to dance. Stand up from the chair, persuade the waist. Typing keys, fingers beat a drum. Move the mouse, rotate the wrist. Answer the phone, stand in place. Walk for water, a sugar stroll. After lunch, 10 minutes walking. Quick steps after brushing teeth. Hang the laundry, shoulder spread wings. Wash the dishes, waves in the waist. Take out trash, a short parade. Stairs instead of elevates today. Call while standing, seated, fatigue released. Cross and uncross legs, circulation resumes. One stretch, folks recharged. Clap and smile, lungs open wide. Nod your head, free the neck, shake the legs, let tension go. Lift a bottle, arm exercise. Gentle shaking, lymphatic cleaning. Day repetition builds a muscle. Rhythm is the beat of life. Movement becomes a habit. Swing like a grandfather clock. Left and right, blood starts to flow. This rhythm stacking day by day. Health is right here. Move like a grandfather clock. The courage to rise from the chair. More small steps, not one big leap. Short but repeated, make strength. Walk fast, sweat begins to speak. One lap jogging, vessels expand. Pedal the bike, knees start laughing. Arms wide open, breathing deep. One squat, lower body awakens. Hold the plank, strengthen the core. Stretch it long, fascia released. Yoga breath aligns the nerves. Sway like dancing, mood lifts high. Stairs in a row, a cardio challenge. Swimming strokes, full body talk. Throw and catch, reflexes alive. Badminton shuttle, eyes and feet align. Jump rope rhythm, bones reply. Sweat is a letter from toxins. After breathlessness comes calm. The harder the heart works, the farther the blood can go. The more muscles are used, the younger they stay. Joints live longer when they move. The brain loves motion. Exercise becomes medicine. Consistency writes the prescription. Today's movement builds tomorrow's body. Moving forward heals more than stopping. Small is enough if it's daily. More frequent steps, be one big move. Short but